Welcome to how to make a WhatsApp account. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a WhatsApp account. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will head over to the Play Store or App Store, and then you will basically search for WhatsApp here. So you will basically download and install WhatsApp. So you can just basically come over here and search for WhatsApp, and then what you're gonna have to do, you will just simply install this software. And if you are on Android phone, you will just go into your Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp there. And after this, when you will open up WhatsApp for the first time, it will ask for your number. Okay, so you have to enter your number, and then WhatsApp will send a code to your number, and then that's it. Your WhatsApp account is now live, and now you can basically chat with your contacts on WhatsApp as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.